Hey y'all, it's Tierney and I'm here today to do a cheap Chanel unboxing. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. From these luxury brands and just showing what's in them and how the packaging comes. So I love the idea of Chanel, but I don't have Chanel handbag coins, not yet. But so until I do, I decided, well, hey, I have Louis Vuitton, I have Gucci. Let's see what's on this Chanel site that I can get that is still gonna be functional and that I can also you know, unbox and get the cute little box and the packaging. So I did not purchase the cheapest thing on the website because I actually didn't have really any use for it. I wanted something that I actually was going to get some use out of, but still inexpensive as far as Chanel terms, but expensive, honey, on your regular day-to-day. But anyway, I'm not even gonna ramble. We're gonna get right into the unboxing and then I'll tell you about the items and as much as they cost. Oh my God. It's amazing how women just get excited over the most simple things like packaging. With love, you deserve it. Yes, when I order myself things, I always like to give myself a little special gift note. Oh my gosh, they just put so much time into this stuff. So, 2 samples, depending on how these smell. An item. Oh, well, that's interesting. Okay, well, I'll just show you the mirror. I also ordered a lip gloss, but it is actually not in here. So, I don't know what that's about, Chanel. But here is the compact. Very cute and darling. I'm not gonna... I'm kind of disappointed because my lip gloss is not in here. So I'm glad I'm actually recording because I can go back to them and say, hey, I don't have my lip gloss. See, I should have had 2 samples and a lip gloss, and the lip gloss is nowhere in this packaging. So that's a little bit disappointing, but I will come back. Yeah, the box was fine. I have a small YouTube channel, so I was doing an unboxing and I was like, wait.
Well, I will actually, what I'm going to do, I definitely do.
Okay, so, do we want to call that an unboxing fail? they're shipping me another lip gloss. So she was really sweet, she was really nice. I didn't have any issues with that. So I guess we're gonna say it's a fail, but I want my $32 lip gloss. But now I won't say it's a fail. Mistakes happen. We had bad weather. You know, people are packaging things and it's a lip gloss. It probably just slipped out or what missed. You know, nobody knows. So I won't say it's a fail. All in all, I got really what I wanted, was the experience of having something as sexy, as high class, luxurious, classic, just beautiful. As this beautiful Chanel box. So I'm actually going to sit it here on my dresser. It doesn't really match my room decor because I have silver tones and this is gold, but who cares, honey? It's Chanel. So I'm gonna keep this here and I'm gonna look at this, and this is gonna be my motivation to work hard to one day I can own me a Chanel handbag and I can have a big old box. But as of right now, this is gonna be great. So a little bit of a fail, but I called customer service right when it happened. They're sending me out another item. So we won't say it's a fail just yet. When we get the lip gloss and if something go wrong, then that'll be a fail. If y'all want me to do an unboxing again when the lip gloss gets here, just let me know and I will do that for you guys because I get 2 boxes. Well, that's all I got, girl. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will